Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to mine Bitcoin for free. So I prepared here three applications that you can use to mine Bitcoin absolutely for free. Now, the first one is Cryptex. So with Cryptex, it's another app that you can use to download or to mine Bitcoin. So all you have to do is download Cryptex right here. Just click on download, and then you just have to create an account, start downloading. And here, if you scroll down, you can see how much you can earn based on your PC's processing power, and of course, based on luck. So these are the main systems that you may need in order for you to farm. So of course, if you want to farm more, then you need better tech or better gear for that. Like this one, mining farm, you can mine up to $266 to $400 per month if you have these specs. And if you are using these specs, then definitely you can earn $100 per month. Now, the best thing with Cryptex is that there are a lot of withdrawal options. For example, here you can withdraw using Visa, MasterCard, or Bitcoin. You can also withdraw in using Amazon or USDT. So if you want to get on started with Cryptex, just follow these simple applications, download the app, create the account, keep Cryptex running, and then get paid. That's it. Next, we have CG Miner. This has been one of the OGs when it comes to cryptocurrency. It has detailed statistics. The best thing about this is it has a fixed commission. So there are no hidden fees with this, and each balance is visible on the dashboard that they provide. And you can independently distribute your power to different pools as well. So again, usually these applications they have very simple instructions. Just scroll down on their main web page and you can see what to do already. So you just need to download and then enter this command and then configure right here, and then you can start mining for Bitcoin. And then finally, one of the OGs of Bitcoin we have here, easyminer.net. So with this one, this is one of the best because it's free like the others, and at the same time, there are multiple ways for you to download this based on the gear or the rig that you are currently using. So there are multiple ways to download uh Easy Miner on your computer. And yeah, if you want to check out their features, it's all here. So they have a lot. They also have analytics and real time statistics. They even have personal wallet management. And of course, they have, in terms of versatility, they have it here as well. And that's it. If you want to download Easy Miner, just scroll down here and then click on download. And then this is what that's gonna look like, the control panel. So you can see it's very OG. Even the apps are like in the 2000s or something like that. But yeah, definitely if you want to mine crypto, there are applications. Just use these apps, these three main apps right here. They're for free and they're easy to download and they're easy to use as well. And yeah, hopefully we were able to help you out on your crypto journey. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.